Welcome back to the Bikerboot channel. We are going to do an unboxing and an assembly of the Weber Smokey Joe 14-inch grill. True story, I won this at a raffle at a benefit, one of the biker parties I went to, and I won it. So here we go. The difference between these and the $20 ones you buy at Walmart or a dollar store is this is really heavy duty. You can tell the quality difference already. The grates are heavier. Designed and engineered in Palatine, Illinois. I don't know if I said that right. USA. Probably still Chinesium. I'm going to read the instructions and we'll get started on the assembly. I'm going to open up the nuts and bolt pack. Harbor Freight magnetic dish. To hold everything in except that one. All right, next you're gonna take your drip pan crush washer, drop it in. You want the drip pan facing up. Drop the bolt in there, and then you're gonna put the legs on, flip it over, make sure they're all the same. Just use your thumb and hold the one on there, and you can spread them out later. Okay, drop the washer in there. I'm gonna put my wing nut on, spin it. And you can spread the legs out. That's what she said. I know you were gonna say it. Next we have the bottom. I'm gonna attach the legs to it. Take the 3 bolts, add the crush washers, and then insert. Just put it sideways and work the bottom one. Spin around, go to the next bottom so you're not fighting gravity. Flat washer, wing nut. Okay, now I'm gonna give everything a quick tighten because next thing that goes on is the grates. These are flatheads, so I have my flathead. Okay, now I'm gonna add the grates. So these should all be horizontal, because now the grate's gonna sit on it, like so. Now I'm just gonna drop the other grate in on top. Last but not least, I'm gonna take the cover and put the handles on. So that's the only Phillips head in this whole thing. The grip part will go on the bottom. The top handle will go on top. And the one screw that comes with Phillips head. That's it. So that's it. That's the unboxing of the assembly of the Smoking Joe, the 14-inch grill. This is the baby one, and they're still expensive. But again, the quality of this is unbelievable. If you like this video and others like it, if you like motorcycle content, Harbor Freight, grilling stuff, I'm gonna do a video of me smoking some ribs on here. So like and subscribe, and catch you later.